Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Haley. If you sell on Shopify, this integration can save you so much time. It connects your Shopify store to your PrintsWell ordering portal so you can send orders over for fulfillment. In this video, I will walk you through how to connect your store, request fulfillment, map your products, and create your order from start to finish. Okay, let's get started. Connecting the two is very easy. And first, you'll want to make sure that you are logged into your PrintsWell ordering portal and your Shopify store. And on your PrintsWell ordering portal, you'll want to click Manage Account, and then you'll scroll all the way to the bottom to the store integration section and click Link Shopify Store. And since you are already logged into your Shopify account, it will then prompt you to download the PrintsWell app. Okay, so let's click Install. So it will bring you here, and then we'll click Install. And after you install our app, it will then bring you to this confirmation page showing that the integration was successful. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna head back over to Shopify so we can then tell Shopify which orders that we want to automatically fulfill with PrintsWell. Okay, so now that we're back in Shopify, let's click products here and click the products that we want to fulfill with PrintsWell. So we'll start with our awesome placemat, and we're gonna scroll all the way down till we see inventory. And here we'll want to change the inventory location to PrintsWell fulfillment. So let's make sure we unclick any old addresses, click save. So this step tells Shopify where a fulfillment request should be sent. And now we're gonna do that for any other products that we want to fulfill with PrintsWell. Okay, so I'm gonna do my Christmas cards now. I want PrintsWell to print them too, so click save. Great. So the products that I want PrintsWell to fulfill for me, I have changed their location and we should be ready to go. Be sure to repeat this process for any other products that you want PrintsWell to fulfill. You will still need to map your Shopify SKU to PrintsWell products, but we recommend doing that on an order by order basis. And I'll show you what that looks like. Once an order is placed, you'll want to go into the order and request fulfillment. Make sure that the inventory location is correct and click request fulfillment. Okay, so now I'm going to hit send fulfillment request. Requesting fulfillment then sends the Shopify order over to the PrintsWell ordering portal so it can be turned into a PrintsWell order. So let's head back over to our ordering portal. Back on PrintsWell, you'll notice that you have two new tabs. New external orders is where all of your Shopify orders will appear. This tab is where we will convert all of our Shopify orders to PrintsWell orders. And this is where we will map our products. Okay, so pending external orders is a second new tab, also in relation to the integration, but we'll go over that more in a bit. Okay, so let's click into our new external orders tab. All right, so it looks like our Shopify order was successfully sent over. And then we'll click the order number so that we can take a look at the order that we just sent over from Shopify. Again, we recommend mapping products as they are ordered so that you're only mapping what needs to be mapped. Okay, so the items that you see here in red, that means they need to be mapped. Product mapping tells PrintsWell which PrintsWell product, quantity, option, and file belong to that Shopify SKU. And today we're going to map a product with a print file that is the same for every order, and one product that is a personalized product that will need a new print file with each order. Okay, so to begin mapping a product, I'm going to click Item Setup. That will then bring me here to the ordering portal. And this is where I'll add the product to the item mapping using the exact same process that you would placing a normal order with PrintsWell. Okay, so in this order, it is going to be some Christmas cards, 25 of them to be exact. And let's go ahead and walk through that process of setting it up. Okay, so they're going to be folded cards. Okay, and let's choose the size of the folded card. And the paper I chose for this product is 120 eggshell ultra white, and there is no printing on the back of this product. Okay, so this order comes with 25 of them, so I'm going to make sure that I click the correct quantity and then click select product. Will not be a variable print job, and make sure that that quantity is correct one more time. And then I'll select my packaging, which is premium packaging. Okay, so now I'm going to go choose my file. Okay, so my file is now uploaded, and this is the file that I want to use every single time that this SKU will be ordered. So let's hit next. Now we just need to finish mapping our products, and I'm going to choose the envelopes that I want to come with this order. And mid green is such a popular color for Christmas, so that's the color I'm going to go with. And it doesn't come with any printing or liners, so I'm just going to leave those selected under no and hit next. I will then confirm and make sure that all of my information is correct for this SKU and then hit add to cart. Okay, so something else that I do want to go over with you guys really quick is that within product mapping, you can set your multiple quantity settings This lets you choose whether multiple quantities of the SKU are combined or packaged separately. In which this case, this one is just combined into one invoice item. Now that I'm done adding all of my items to this product mapping, I will then click return to external order, and then we'll bring you back to the order here. And you can see now the SKU is green, which means it was mapped correctly. And it's saved and it's ready to go. Okay, so now we're gonna map our other product. This product is actually a personalized product. So this one will need a new file every single time someone submits an order. I'm going to repeat the same steps for this product to get it mapped, and I'll click Item Setup. All right, so this is going to be a personalized placemat. So let's go select our product, which is the laminated placemat. And then we'll select the size. And yes, we'll want printing on the back and the front for this product. Okay, so let's select product. Will this be a variable printing job? Nope. And it just comes with one. And then I'll select my packaging, which is bagged. So since this is a personalized item where the printing will be different with every order, I am actually going to skip the file upload section and just leave it blank and hit next. Okay, so now let's hit add to cart. And now that I'm finished, I'll click return to external order. Now that we're back on this page, we can see that our items are highlighted in green, which means that they have successfully been mapped. And just double check and make sure everything is correct. The cool thing about this is that anything I add to my product mappings, like quantity, packaging, envelopes, die cut, etc., it will be saved to this product map so that anytime that this Shopify item is ordered again, all of my saved options will then auto-populate. And this can save a ton of time on future orders. Okay, so now I can click create order for this external order. And this will bring me to the actual PrintsWell order that I can now complete with just a few clicks. And for my personalized file, let's hit edit here. And then it will bring you to this page where we'll then add our personalized file. And then we'll hit next, review, and update cart. Also, if I make a change to a mapped product within the PrintsWell order, like uploading a file or changing the quantity for a specific order, it will not override my mapping on future products, which is great news. You can make order-specific adjustments on the PrintsWell order that will not affect our main mapping. Okay, so now my order is ready to go and I have my shipping information pulled from Shopify. Just confirm that everything is still correct and then hit checkout. Choose my shipping option and now we're gonna submit the order. So let's submit that order. Yes, I do wanna submit. And if you remember from earlier in the video, we chatted briefly about the pending external orders. And once an order has been submitted for print, you will then see it in this tab. And it will remain here until the order has been processed and shipped. And this is so that you can monitor orders from other platforms that are currently in processing separate from your standard orders. And once your order has shipped, it will then appear in your order history with all your other past orders. And if you want to see which products are currently mapped or maybe want to edit a current mapping, we have a Manage Your Products button underneath the New External Orders tab, and that will show you all of your current mapped products and what they're mapped to. Mapping is the biggest step, but once that's done, this can significantly reduce your order processing time. And like always, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.